There's definitely gonna be a death. My children! Woo! You know what today is? Episode 11? 11? Episode 11. Josh previously promised you something.
Next vlog,
they will see the color that my car is going to be, and those panels will be painted. The
woo!
Bumpers and trunk and
You heard it here first, folks. The first lie we ever caught Josh on video saying.
So, with that promise, Josh promised you something, and he delivered. Because he's a man of his word.
They call me the delivery man.
The delivery man, because he delivers that vagina to your dick. So, are we going to show him? Quick, ready? You ready? So what do you have to say for yourself, Josh? Because you didn't get shit done.
You told everyone you're gonna have paint. That's pretty cool though.
No, I got these vents though.
No. Nobody wants to see those. They aren't even on. We still gotta cut holes in his hood to put vents in. But, in other news, I says, you know what? We're skipping this week's vlog. I'm basically done with my truck, right? And I say, what else? What's next? So,
I got another project.
woo! But we can't work on this thing because we have to get the whole shop fucking bombed. Because this thing has so many fucking spiders on it, and now the whole shop is fighter infested.
Fighter infested.
Fuck.
So, what are we doing on this vlog?
Let's cut the hood up. Let's cut the hood up so that this body and the hood can get painted on Saturday. I'll take 1,000,000 measurements and it'll still show up and end up being sideways.
I got shit to do.
Alright, then I'll cut it.
Cause this beard, if it gets any longer, dude, girls are gonna start noticing the smell of other girls' pussy juices on it.
You know what I mean?
I know what you mean.
Damn, your lady's gonna be pissed.
You gotta cut that out.
What part?
Just that part.
All of it?
Max, what'll make you happy? It seems like every week this is happening.
Pussy and Calls Jr. Calls Jr. Yeah! The inside smells like the inside of a moist vagina. The car censored me.
What?
The car censored me.
We gotta put our seatbelts on, dude. We were in a heavy accident. Oh, guys, don't forget settlement party.
Settlement party. As soon as we get checks, you'll know when we got checks because Wes will have hair.
Imagine yes. Can we get
a number 2?
Okay. Can we get a number 2?
Large with a Coke and Crisp cut fries.
Large with a Coke and crisp cut. Crisp cut fries.
Dumbass.
A 9-piece chicken star. Are you getting a shake?
I think we probably should.
All right, and then 2 Oreo shakes, please.
24 and 13, please.
Damn, dude, what the fuck, man?
What?
I wanna fuck his lady. Look, dude, I'm gonna follow him, so it's not weird when I follow his lady in a couple of days. Oh, fuck.
You can't.
I could totally.
Ooh!
Here's your Coke. What time is it?
Ooh! It is.
Ooh,
Fuck you, motherfucker.
I hope you got that. So what does that mean?
It means the battery's dead.
Ready? Ah!
you, Dad. Looks fucking good.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Feel accomplished?
I mean, my car's got no panels and no glass, but
It's
we got hood vents. We got hood vents.
We got hood vents.
Yeah.
Still no fucking paint, you know? Well, maybe next vlog.
I think I should just give up.
The problem is though, is now you can see that little baby motor.
All right, we out. We out.
We're out of here.
Until next time, guys.
See you next week. What you got in there, dude?